विसोपरांत तुमकां परत एकदा येवकार. मडगांवच्या मनोविकास विद्यालयाक 50 वर्सां पुराय जाल्या. हे निमतान खुबशा कार्यक्रमाचें आयोजन केलां. पयले दिसा भुरग्यांनी केल्ल्या वस्तूचे प्रदर्शनाचें आयोजन जालें. मागीर ओपन फॉर ऑल मॅरेथॉन जातली म्हूण स्कुलाच्यो टिचरी उलयल्यात. ADEX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Manavikas School is celebrating its golden jubilee this year. The school began in 1968 in Margaon, in Congo. At that time, we had around 40 children enrolled. Today, there are more than 1,600 children in the school. And the school is actually proud that it has also a special school within the school, where the specially able children, those children who require special facilities, are accommodated here. And there is an inclusive-based system of education. We also are one of the few schools who have an observatory, we have an innovation center, we have an incubation center where we encourage our children to innovate, to not study by rote, but by study by learning practical difficulties and problems.
Tell you about coconut oil. The first thing I'm going to tell you is about how we make coconut oil. I'm going to tell you how we make our coconut oil. Now, the thing that we're going to do is first dry the coconut oil. Here you can see different types of pen holders. And you can see a jute photo frame there. You can see a cotton pen holder there. Cotton gives us suit, sherwani and different stuff.
आमचे स्कूल 50 वर्सां सेलिब्रेट करता. आमचे इव्हेंट ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट जाल्या. आज आमच्या स्कुलाचे एक्झिबिशन आसा पयली आनी मागीर आमी मॅरेथॉन आनी ऑर्गनायज केला स्कुलान. तेन्ना सगळ्यांनी भरभरून प्रतिसाद दिवचो. आमच्या वेबसायटीचेर ऑनलायन फॉर्म आसा, थंय रजिस्टर करचें. हातूंत खूब जाणांचो जोड पालव आसा. खूब जाणांनी हातभार लागला हातूंत आमच्या टिचर्सांचो. मनोविकास फॅमिली, इट इज अ ग्रेट टीम. इट हॅज बीन अ ग्रेट टीम अँड वी वूड कंटिन्यू टू बी लायक दिस.
कितें आसा प्रोग्राम?
प्रोग्राम आमचे आज एक्झिबिशन आसा पयली, मागीर मॅरेथॉन ऑर्गनायज केला 7 ऑक्टोबराक. इट इज ओपन फॉर एवरीवन अँड लास्ट फायनल आमचे लेक्चर सिरीज आसा जानेवारी.
It's such a great pleasure to see the young children producing such beautiful work and to know that they are so confident to express themselves, tell us what they know. It's really lovely.